The Ecobee SmartThermostat with voice control is a sophisticated and versatile device designed to manage the climate in your home efficiently and conveniently. This smart thermostat stands out for its integration of advanced features and voice control capabilities, providing users with a seamless experience in home automation. One of the standout features of the Ecobee SmartThermostat is its built-in voice control, which is powered by Amazon Alexa. This integration means you can use the thermostat as a smart speaker to control other Alexa-compatible devices, play music, check the weather, and more. The voice control functionality extends the convenience of managing your home environment without needing to physically interact with the thermostat. In terms of climate control, the Ecobee SmartThermostat offers precise temperature regulation and energy-saving capabilities. It uses sensors to detect occupancy and temperature in different rooms, ensuring that your home is always comfortable while optimizing energy usage. The thermostat learns your routine and preferences over time, making adjustments to improve efficiency and comfort automatically. The Ecobee SmartThermostat also features a user-friendly mobile app, which allows you to control the thermostat remotely. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can adjust the temperature, set schedules, and monitor energy usage directly from your smartphone. This level of control helps you stay connected to your home and manage your energy consumption effectively. Integration with other smart home ecosystems is another significant advantage of the Ecobee SmartThermostat. It works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, and IFT, making it a versatile addition to any smart home setup. This compatibility ensures that you can integrate the thermostat into your existing smart home network, enhancing the overall functionality and convenience of your home automation system. The thermostat's design is sleek and modern, featuring a responsive touchscreen that provides intuitive control over the device. The display is clear and easy to read, with a simple interface that makes it easy to access all the features and settings. Additionally, the Ecobee SmartThermostat is built with sustainability in mind, using recycled materials in its construction and offering features that help reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Overall, the Ecobee SmartThermostat with voice control is a powerful tool for managing your home's climate efficiently and conveniently. Its combination of advanced features, voice control capabilities, and seamless integration with other smart home devices makes it a valuable addition to any modern home.